Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun right here. So on today's video, I just quickly want to show you how this website called amanshopify.com works, right? So if you want to get started, all you need to do is just to go to the description below. We are going to see the first link there, all right? So just click on that link and register. Once you register with that link, they will give you 10 USDT. Yes, 10 free USDT to get started, right? So now what you're going to do is just once you click on that link, is just to enter your username right here, the username that you want to use, just like aka, right? Then you enter your email address, your password, the transaction password, right? Then the invitation code, once you click on the link, it will automatically be here, right? All right, so as you can see that I just put in the username that I want to use. I put the email address that I want to use. Then you put your password right here. Make sure that your password is very secure. Then right here, you're going to put 6 digits right there to use as your transaction password, right? So I told you that this one, once if you use the link on the description below, the invitation code will automatically will come to display. Then what you're going to do is just to click on register now. Immediately you sign up, this platform, they're going to give you 10 USDT free. I mean 10 USDT for free, but you can see 15 USDT right here. So I added 5 USDT from my pocket to this balance so that I'll be able to use that one to activate the level 1 right here. As you can see here that we have, VIP 1, you can use $15 to activate it, and you have daily 3 tasks. So on this platform, what you do is to complete a task after you have signed up and activate the level that you want to stay. Then you have 3 tasks, though depending on the level that you have right here. So just like you see, the level 1 you have to complete with, you are going to activate the level 1 with 15 USDT, and you have 3 tasks per day. Level 2, you activate that one with 45 USDT. You have 3 tasks per day. Level 3, you activate that one with 150, and you have 5 tasks. Can you see that per day? Level 4, that is VIP 4, 500 to activate it. Then 10 daily tasks per day, and you can see their earning as well, right? So the daily per task that you are going to do is 0.15. If you are on VIP 1, per task is 0. You earn 0.15. So by the time you finish with the 3 tasks, right, then you are going to have 0.45, just like what you're seeing right here now. So now, guys, if you actually want to, deposit maybe more on this platform, remember that I'm going to give you 10 USDT, but you can't use that 10 USDT to do anything. You need to add more. Maybe you want to go for VIP 1, just like what I'm doing right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is just to add $5 right here. But guys, at this level, before you add the money, I want you to do more research about this platform for yourself as well. Okay, do thorough research before you add my money. Invest wisely on this platform. That is the advice that I can give you. So now this is how to deposit on this platform. You're going to come to recharge here. So if you click on recharge, you're going to see the TRC20, that is TRC20 USDT wallet for TRC fashion, right? So TRC, okay, so that is what you're going to use. So just copy the address and go to maybe Binance, maybe Trust Wallet to send maybe any amount that you want to add. Like that is minimum of 5 USDT right here. Okay, so once you do that, just to click on recharge right here. So once you do click on recharge, then the money in few minutes, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, the money will reflect right here. Okay, the money is going to reflect right here. So that is how to do that. Then if you actually want to withdraw as well, I'm just going to show you that. Then now to activate the VIP level, remember the VIP 1 is actually 15 USDT, and I already have my 15 USDT right here. So what I'm going to do is just to click on join right here. So I click on join, then I'm going to click join now. Okay, You can see that it said upgrade complete. Can you see that right here now? And you can see the next thing you're going to do right here, I just need to click on this start grabbing orders. Then I click on start grabbing orders. All right, great. So can you see this? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on submit orders. So I just completed the first orders right here. Okay, and as you can see that I have already earned 0.15, right? Then I'm going to do the second task. Then I'm going to click on submit orders. All right, so you can see that I have done the second one and the earn has turned to 0.3, right? Then the third one, I'm going to do it. Then I click on submit order. All right, so for today, I have completed the order for today. Remember that per day, I have just to be doing 3 orders every day. That's all I need to do. And as you can see that I have earned 0.45. That is all what I need to do. So right now, if I want to withdraw that, I can just come back home. Getting back home, I'm going to click on this place, withdraw. All right, so I just click on withdraw right here now. Then let me get my wallet. All right, so guys, if you want to withdraw, so you can actually withdraw with TRC20, just like this, right? TRC20, please. All right, so I just place that. Then I'm going to enter the password, the transaction password. So I just entered the transaction password right here. So what I'm going to do is just click on confirm modification. So completed. So I just bind the wallet that I will be using to, withdraw my money, right? So you can see that the 15 USDT that I use has been frozen right here for me to be perform the task, the daily task every day. But this one will be available, the daily earning will be available for you to withdraw every day, right? So what I'm going to do right here is just to come to withdraw. So I just click on withdraw, then I type in 0. So I want to withdraw the money that I'm having right here. So I just enter the password pin and the amount right here. So let me just try if you can pay 0.45. I don't know, but let me just try it out. So it said submitted successfully. So right now I don't have any money on available balance right here again. So meaning I have withdrawn the 0.45 USDT. So let me just wait a bit to see if this guy will pay it out. So while we are waiting for the payment right there, so let me quickly show you another way to earn on this platform is by coming on. So let me just come on and show you this. If you come to invite right here, so if you come to invite, so what you're going to do, you're going to see your link there, right? You're going to see your link. So what you need to do is just to copy this link and share it with your friends on social media, right? And when they join, you can see, go through this place when you sign up to see what you are actually going to benefit, right? So let me just come to salary discussion. So as you can see it right here, so with this platform, you can actually chat with them on WhatsApp, on Telegram as well. And this is a Telegram channel. And just go through this place because I don't want to, wasting your time right here, bore you with by reading this to you. So you can just quickly go through it to see what you're going to earn when you even introduce this to your friend. But before you do that, kindly do your research very well and tell them to invest wisely. That is my advice for you. All right, guys, as you can see that we just received the 0.45 USDT. Now it's on Binance right now, meaning these guys actually paid what I just withdrew right now. So it means every day you can withdraw your earning, okay, at the minimum of 0.45 USDT. So that is it, what I have for you guys right here today. So if you are new on this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and the notification bell so that whenever we drop a content like this, you'll be notified from YouTube. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.